With a blunt and a tray, detonate the red button and spray a day in the life of Jesus. Of all Marley, Malcolm X, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad Gandhi. Vision vast past the hillside and killing a trial. But milk to the body, remarkable articles in the soul's particles. So let the truth fall around the globe in the optimal. Back to the spot and over there's an optical illusion, illuminating the hourglass. Spinning in the wind in the storm, a friend of my arm, definitive of the strong women in palm. Event has been calm, the limit is gone. Back to the galactic, mathematic, radical scale. Unravel the veil and about a boat still sailing 100 for seas without hope, fragile and frail. Catch a ride on an ancient whale and say by the tail till we drift on the shore like a sail and search for the trail.
Fun, guys. What's that?
Up and I'm feeling high. Up when I'm flying by. Up with the world below. Come on, I can take it if you want to go. Up and be closing in. Up, so now let's begin.
Catch me if you can through this miraculous maze, cause there's something mystical burning and I'm caught in the blaze. Some love on me when I'm reaching back in the dust. And she knows what about me when I'm hot in the touch. Evil forces riding all these metal horses. Trying to pull the doors, close all this and only be the torture. Let me poison by the lies and the torture. Behind the curtain, it's burning the sun. My burning that's down to set a soul for the surface. Bring master's position. Yo, I ain't bullshitting, I'm full spitting. These righteous rhythms are sticks in the earth from fall. So observe the heart, cause you gotta try to reject. To get to grow, try to perfect. Be the architect to move your arm and your neck, your heart and your chest.
Should I get this one or this one?
Down it, just straight down it. He's Spanish starting over Spanish City.
So good. I might just get this. It's so good. Kaya picture na naman. Ayan, Steve. Ayan, video ka. Ano taxi namin? This.
Oh, thank you.
Always feel like I'm running
Feel the cold air, inhale, exhale. Now I can see my life for the first time. And sometimes
I'll take $30 for parking. So expensive.
that I'm susceptible to the show. Cause I'm so close to the kids and flow. It's hard not to chase the zero.
Boba? That's a lot of
Just the way
What is that?
Those are tadpoles.
That's
boba.
games we play. It's all about the X's and O's. But down here by the water, none of that matters. All of those worries, they float away. It's gonna take me walking away for good. I know I'm capable of making a change.
So when we made chant, you know,
Nice.
yeah. So they would have chants and songs like that, and this was actually music.
Wow, thank you.
And this is when the kids get out of line. Fix you, bro. Now, it's called the Unu Maika. Yeah, this is no, this one. No, which one was that?
That one is for make the kappa.
Oh, that's. But no,
Trying to look in
oh yeah, this is. They would beat the little mulberry bark to make it into clothing called tapa cloth. This was it. I thought it was a game piece, but they usually have designs on it. Yeah. This is
The
actually,
other one is round.
yeah, that's right. It's the tapa, the beater.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So when you live in old Hawaii, man, you had to make do with what little you had.
True.
No such thing as Kroger's or Safeway and Vons. Whatever you had to, yeah.
Ow.
So, you guys gonna go swim?
Yeah.
Knock yourself out, have a glass. We'll just mind the lifeguard rules in there, okay? In order to go swim, you have to wear the life vest, okay?
Okay.
They won't allow you to swim.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's really deep?
Well, yeah.
Oh, okay.
About 30 feet.
About
30
to
feet?
the drop, because the thing about it all is that fresh water is least buoyant, yeah.
Oh.
And if you get really tired and you start going down, you're gonna sink very quickly.
Oh.
That's the reason why. Yeah, that's why you're gonna have to need the flotation device.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't worry about it. No alligators, no piranha.
Okay. Thank you.